guys, so today it was snowing. Like tonight it was like snowing, but now this is what's left. Snow like this. Do you see that table right there? That's what my brother made. And I just woke up I know when I woke up. But this is what happened last night. A big snow happened. It was snowing hard. I was like, oh my god, it's cold. Well, especially my grandma was. And I'm just gonna show you this for a little bit more, just so you can see. If you live around here, then you may know me. I'm making this special for you guys, so yeah. And I'm gonna do home tour soon, so you better watch. Well, my house, my grandma's house, but maybe you'll see the home tour today or right now, but you're not. Yeah, and this is our balcony. Yeah, this is the balcony. And my auntie been here a few days ago. Yeah. So yeah, and okay, bye. It's just a short video. Bye.